heart failure is a serious condition, we all know, and it is caused generally by hypertension and high cholesterol levels. Patients with heart failure can be temporarily put on a ventricular assist devices, and at times the diseased heart is also replaced with a healthy donor's heart. Here's a report.
Heart failure is a serious condition that may occur due to many causes.
Heart failure also can be in the acute stage or in the chronic stage. The chronic cardiac failure can occur with the various types of the diseases like ischemic heart disease, where the coronary arteries of the patients, they are blocked and it leads to the heart damage. It can also occur because of the rheumatic heart disease. It is a type of the infection with which the immune reaction occurs, and patient gets the valvular heart disease where the valves are damaged, and that in turn leads to the heart damage and the cardiac failure. Then there is another problem that is called the dilated cardiomyopathy, where there is problem with the heart muscle by itself. And these are the types of the diseases which can lead to the chronic cardiac failure.
Heart transplantation is required in the case of heart failure.
When the patient suffers with chronic cardiac failure, initially it is treated with the medicines, then it can be treated with the various pacemaker devices where we call AICD, or AICD, a combo device that can also be placed, that is called the CRT therapy. But in case the heart is not recovering because of that also, then the patients require heart transplantation. Now, heart transplantation is not possible in each and every patient because of the scarcity of the organ donors. So these patients temporarily can be kept on the ventricular assist devices, which is like a bridge to the transplantation or the bridge to the recovery. Now, during the heart transplantation, we have to take the heart from a brain dead donor and then transplant into the patient. After the cardiac transplantation is done, patient has to be on the immunosuppressants so that he doesn't reject the donor heart. Because of these immunosuppressants, sometimes the patient is more prone to the infection. Therefore, the patient has to take proper care after the operation, not only against the infection, but he has to take some medicines also.
The person recovers in some time after heart transplantation and can lead a normal life. Kiran Bhardwaj, DD News.